Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where to find the Sisyphus statue in Fish It Roblox. So in Fish It, the Sisyphus statue is not just a landmark, it is the starting point for the deep sea quest to unlock the legendary Ghostwind Road. So if you want to find the Sisyphus statue, you can just follow my steps in here. First, you just need to head into the Lost Isle using your boat. So just go straight to the Lost Isle until you find the second stone. So that's, I've already passed the first stone in here. You can just go straight in here and you'll see the second stone along with the islands in here. So what you need to do in here, okay, you can just get off your boat here. Don't forget to put on your diving gear. Okay, let's go dive. So in here you just need to go dive and turn left and go inside this building right here. So let's go inside. And you'll see this another door in here, and you'll be arrived in the Sisyphus statue, and you'll see your deep sea quest in here. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can find the Sisyphus statue in Fish It Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.